So here's what I would like for you all to do. You're going to learn some Arabic.
Oh.
So can you teach them? They're going to speak Arabic to Sultan. So teach them what this is and what it means.
Okay, so the first one is marhaba, which means hi. It's marhaba.
Okay, go ahead.
It's not marhaba or anything. Okay.
So you're gonna do it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is it.
All right.
Okay, it's marhaba.
Marhaba.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, hang on. Don't just say yeah, because Sultan's gonna come on and he won't understand. So make sure she gets it right.
Yeah, but I don't think she can pronounce the ha. Can you say ha?
Ha.
Ha, not kha. That's another letter, by the
Can
way.
you say it again?
Ha.
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 Okay. At this rate, we'll be here until next Wednesday.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
all right. Okay, go ahead. So
It's marhaba.
Marhaba.
go try it again.
She did it better.
Oh God.
No, go ahead. Try it again.
Try it again.
One more time.
Marhaba.
Marhaba.
Try it again. Keep going. Keep trying.
Just keep going.
Okay.
Marhaba.
Marhaba.
Yeah, better.
Okay, that's closer. Okay, go ahead. What's it mean? So,
Oh, it means hi.
okay.
And then, assalamu alaikum.
Can you say it one more time? I'm so sorry.
Okay, it's two-part.
Okay.
Assalamu, which means peace.
Okay.
Alaikum, for all of you guys. So, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
good.
All right.
Okay, try it.
Okay. I need to hear you do first.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did it better, to be honest.
No, she's so much better.
Oh my God, that's going to build her esteem tremendously.
I'll take
Hey,
it.
what? Okay, and say again what this means to the class.
Oh, so it's two-part. Assalamu, which means peace, and then alaikum for all of you guys. So,
And when do you use that?
oh, it. I don't know, when you enter somewhere like salam alaikum.
You just
Like-
use it all the time.
Yeah, it's like marhaba, but marhaba is more like spoken. Actually, no, we use both of them, to be honest. But like,
But when I'm passing someone who I know is Arabic, right, speaks Arabic,
Yeah.
I pass them on the street or whatever, like even near my house, I'll just stop and say assalamu alaikum.
yeah, and then they will respond with the third one.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so when you enter somewhere, you say assalamu alaikum, and then the people will say wa alaikum assalam.
Go ahead.
Wa
Wa
alaikum
alaikum.
assalam.
Assalam.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was good, actually.
Okay, I'm gonna need that step by step that you just gave her.
Okay, wa.
Wa.
Wait. Wa alaikum
Wa alaikum.
assalam.
Assalam.
Wa
Wa
alaikum
alaikum.
assalam.
Assalam.
Yeah, which means it's the response of assalamu alaikum, which means peace to you as well. Or like it goes backward.
All right. So, okay, and tell them what this inshallah is a word. If you learn this and you're around Arabs, if you use this at any moment, they will break down laughing. Okay, because it's so common. Tell them what it means.
Insha'Allah. Yeah, if God.
Allah is God. Insha, like if
Allah is
if
God.
wills, like
if God
wills-
wanted or like
wants it or
yeah,
wills
wants
it.
it. Yeah. Like
Insha'Allah.
if God, like you say when you, like
Like
if God wanted that thing to happen, so you say, Inshallah, it will happen. Like if God wanted it, I think I'm not sure.
No,
to
this
be
is it.
Yeah.
But the idea with Arabs is you use it people use it all the time.
Moms use
When-
it all the time to say no.
Okay, so
By the
listen
way.
then. Yeah, so see the Arabic, okay, here's the Arabic one, right? So the person I first asked to do this volunteer work, to speak Arabic to Thon dancers, I said, hey, so you're going to be here next Tuesday, right? Because I'm counting on you. And the response was, Inshallah. And I'm like, no inshallah right here, right now.
By the way, that was me.
Yeah. Okay, so inshallah. So go ahead.
Inshallah.
Yeah, that was good.
Thank you.
You,
was so
you
good.
can say it quick. You can just say inshallah or inshallah.
That was the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Oh,
I mean, I
like-
hear people just saying it really fast, like inshallah.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, or inshallah. I hear both, but inshallah.
There's
is really,
inshallah and then there's insha'Allah.
Ah.
And there's insha'Allah.
inshallah.
Like they're both different meanings because there's a pause.
Yeah.
When you typed it, for example, it's two different meanings.
So when I'm saying, when Arabs are using this, which is like all the time, right? You go into a restaurant, you order food, the waitress or waiter will say, inshallah. Like, yeah, maybe I'll bring the food to you, maybe I won't. It's whatever, if God wills it. So inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you ready? So we're bringing them out here.
I'm speaking to him.
They have something they want to... Sophia, you're going to start. She has something she wants to say to you.
Okay. Oh my God, I forgot to listen to her that last part. Okay.
No, look right here, right
Okay.
there. Okay,
Yeah.
no, hang on.
Yeah, I'm working on it. Okay. Marhaba.
Marhaba.
Okay, that was good. That was pretty good.
Close enough.
How was that? Was that good? You
It was
understood
close
what
enough.
she
I
said?
understood it.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, 100%. It's not on the board.
He said it back to you. Okay, the next one.
Oh, I have to keep going. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Dude, it worked. Oh, man. You got an Arab dude to respond back to you. That's a high point of my life right there.
You're on a roll. You got this. Come on. Next
Come
one.
on, you got this.
Okay.
Wait, hang on. You got to ask him something like, hey, you got to ask him some question that's like an obvious thing. Are you going to study for the, ask him, are you going to study for the test, for example, for the quiz in Social 19?
You mean in English?
In English,
Because
yeah.
I can't say that. Okay. Are you going to study for the Social 119 test?
Already did.
No, hang on. No, dude. Your response is that, Risa.
Inshallah, I will.
Yeah. You going to pass?
Inshallah.
Yeah. Everything is inshallah. You going to take a shower tomorrow?
Inshallah.
Yeah. You going to eat tonight?
Inshallah.
Yeah. See what I mean? This is the thing. All right, Corinne, you're on, man.
Marhab.
Marhaba to you as well.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Ask him a question.
Ask him a question.
No, actually, say it. Say that one. You ask her a question, man. Are you going to pass the test?
Are you going to pass the test this Thursday?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Perfect.
Dude, awesome.
You're natural.
Yeah, you got it. All right.
You taught them pretty quick.
So listen, so what I'm saying, like when they meet somebody who's speaks Arabic, right? Or who's
100%.
Muslim, because all Muslims would know this. Assalamu alaikum. Like if
Yeah, all these four terms, like
Everyone
it's pretty,
just uses
it's pretty
them.
broad across all Arabs.
and even Jews, right? Is that Jews and Arabs mix up so many words. But if they see somebody and they say assalamu alaikum,
Obviously, someone's gonna say wa alaikum salam back.
and that's a good thing, right? Like it's a greeting. Am I right? Like you see someone on campus.
It's a greeting. It's like peace be upon you.
So if
right?
you're- if
so
you're-
it
if
just
you're-
means that I'm coming to you with peace.
So if they're walking down College Avenue and they see the two of you, maybe not the two of you, but somebody else, a woman in a hijab, which clearly, or headscarf, who's clearly Muslim, or you, who's clearly Muslim, Arab, you could say, go ahead and say it one more time.
Assalamu alaikum.
I would say alaikum salam back, and honestly, I would feel very happy knowing that they took time out of their day to learn that, and they know my culture and my religion.
And you would feel, can you just say that one more time? You would feel happy.
I would feel very happy, actually. Especially here in Penn State, there's a lot of white people, right? And none of them are really familiar. A majority are not familiar with what we do and our culture and our traditions.
And do you feel it? Hang on. The same way, if they were passing you on the street and they said assalamu alaikum,
Yeah, I will feel really happy because they know my language and the culture what we Arabs do.
It would make us actually feel very welcome here, like we're international students. It would actually make us feel very welcome by the people that live here.
Dude, you hear that, right? And like, so for me, that's why I'm always using words. The other day I sent a message to Youssef, who's one of our attendance TAs, and I was saying something about Khaliji students. So I'm like, hang on a second. So I went into Google Translate and I looked up Khaliji and I found the Arabic script for Khaliji students. And then I said, hey, da-da-da, and then the script, and then students. Just because I felt like, I just want to say that in that way. And this is why, like, I'm, Ilana and I, like, we email back and forth in Spanish, like we're just doing that. And so for me, it's just part of what I want this class to be. And so the words, what the two of you just said, is really cool. And thank the both of you, actually, for doing it. It's cool, right? Remember it. Assalamu alaikum.